A new group called the Brooks Hospice Palliative Care Interest Group is now assisting with education and funding for hospice and palliative care programs in Alberta's Centennial City and the County of Newell. The group has replaced the dissolved Brooks Palliative Care Society and looks to promote resources family members can access when faced with an end-of-life journey of a loved one.
So we want to get people to understand that it's a journey that we all need to go through, and to have more awareness so it's an easier and stress-free journey for people.
Cindy Burkage, acting chair of the group, firmly believes in hospice care. She saw the difference hospice care made for her family and her mother, who had a very short time to live.
And once she got moved to a hospice, it was the care that she needed, and the care that the family needed, and the supports, and the kindness, and the home feeling was what we needed, and it helped for us to transition into a more peaceful journey.
Canadian activist Ian Boss is walking across the country to bring attention to the importance of palliative and hospice care, and met with the group. Ian began his journey across Canada in honor of his father, who passed away earlier this year. Ian says the palliative care team's compassion helped his family through a very difficult time.
I think as a society we do whatever we can to avoid the conversation of death, and they made us embrace it and enjoy the time that we had left with Dad, to live every moment really.
People are always afraid about end-of-life care, and they don't realize that there are supports that make it so it isn't so frightening, and it is peaceful, and it is dignified.
There are many supports available to Brooks and area families facing an end-of-life situation, including a home care team with a palliative care nurse who assesses needs, a home bed program for patients who want to stay in their residence but need a hospital bed, and hospice rooms in the Brooks Health Centre. For details on palliative and hospice care in Brooks and area, you can call Cindy at 403-793-3918.
To see the dedication, the passion of people that give their time and their life to serving others in their time of need, it's beyond words. I really want to do whatever I can.
From Brooks, for Go on Shaw TV, I'm David G.